Struggling with cluttered kitchen counters or slow meal prep? Imagine having one powerhouse device that blends, chops, and purees effortlessly. Welcome to our channel, where today we reveal the top 9 blender and food processor combos that make cooking a joy. Grab your favorites through the links in the description. At number 9 is Sankon Chopper. Ever wonder if one kitchen gadget could truly replace 5? That's exactly where the Sankon 5-in-1 chopper surprises you. Unlike bulky appliances that clutter your counter, this compact powerhouse blends, chops, juices, grinds, and even makes smoothies, all tested for real-world comfort. The 4 containers and 3 blade types let you whip up everything from sauces to peanut butter effortlessly. Compared to some other combos in our top 9 list, it feels safer and smarter. Overheating protection, suction stability, and food-grade materials give real peace of mind. Cleanup is a breeze too, with dishwasher-safe parts. Honestly, if you love versatility but hate juggling multiple gadgets, this is a game changer. Downsides? Short 60-second run limit and sharp blades require care. For families or busy cooks, this is a smart, reliable choice you'll appreciate daily. Thoughts? Would you replace your old blender with this? On number 8 is Ninja Food Processor. Did you know some food processors struggle with dough while others can barely crush ice? That's where the Ninja steps in and surprises you. With its 1,800-watt motor and 72-ounce pitcher, it powers through even the toughest ingredients, tested for real-world comfort. BlendSense technology automatically adjusts speed for smooth results, while the 64-ounce food processor bowl handles dough, purees, and veggies effortlessly. Compared to other combos in our top 9 list, Ninja feels more precise and versatile, offering peace of mind with liquid detection and safe feed chute design. Cleanup is simple, dishwasher-safe parts save time. Downsides? It's a bit bulky and not ideal for tiny kitchens. But if you want one device that can prep, blend, slice, and shred flawlessly, Ninja is a smart choice. Who else loves multitasking gadgets like? At number 7 is Vitamix Grade Blender. Did you know most blenders leave chunks in your smoothies or struggle with frozen fruit? The Vitamix Grade Blender completely changes that game. With a 2.2 horsepower motor and laser-cut stainless steel blades, it powers through fibrous veggies, ice, and nuts effortlessly, tested for real-world comfort. Its 64-ounce low-profile container fits under cabinets while delivering large-capacity blends, and the 4 automatic programs handle smoothies, soups, desserts, and dips with precision. Compared to other options in our top 9 list, it feels professional-grade, reliable, and built to last, giving real peace of mind. Cleanup? Just add water and a drop of soap, self-cleaning in 60 seconds. Downsides? High price and bulkier footprint. But if you want smooth, consistent results daily, Vitamix is a smart, long-term investment. Who else loves effortless blending that lasts? On number 6 is Hamilton Beach Electric Food Chopper. Ever struggle with chopping vegetables evenly or blending frozen fruits without chunks? The Hamilton Beach Electric Food Chopper might just be the lifesaver your kitchen needs. With its 3-in-1 versatility, it combines a 40-ounce glass blending jar, a 20-ounce travel jar, and a 3-cup vegetable chopper, tested for real-world comfort. Its 700-watt motor and wave-action system ensure smooth results every time, effortlessly handling leafy greens, ice, and salsas. Compared to other combos in our top 9 list, it's compact, efficient, and safe. Drip-free pouring and durable glass jar give real peace of mind. Cleanup is quick, and the smaller size makes it ideal for busy kitchens. Downsides? Not designed for heavy doughs or massive batches. For anyone seeking convenience and consistent blends without clutter, this is a smart, reliable choice. Who else loves multitasking gadgets like this? At number 5 is VegeNutrix Jar Blender. Ever wish one kitchen gadget could handle everything from kneading dough to crushing ice for smoothies? The VegeNutrix Jar Blender does exactly that. With its 700-watt motor reaching 25,000 revolutions per minute and 2 versatile jars, it tackles chopping, shredding, blending, juicing, and even nut butters, tested for real-world comfort. Its manual master control system gives precise results every time. Pulse mode crushes frozen fruit effortlessly, chef mode kneads dough perfectly, and high speed creates silky sauces and dips. Compared to other combos in our top 9 list, VegeNutrix stands out for safety. Double lock switches prevent accidental starts, giving real peace of mind. Cleanup is a breeze, and it's durable. Commercial grade blades handle heavy duty tasks daily. Downsides? It's a bit larger, so countertop space matters. If you want an all-in-one, reliable kitchen companion, this is a smart, stress-free choice. Would you trust one device for everything? At number 4 is Maydarol Juice Blender. Ever wish one appliance could replace half your kitchen gadgets? The Maydarol Juice Blender makes that dream real. With 11 versatile attachments, it blends, chops, kneads, juices, grates, and even grinds coffee, tested for real-world comfort. Its dual lock protection ensures the machine only runs when everything is securely in place, giving total peace of mind. Non-slip feed and food-grade materials reinforce safety and reliability, something you notice immediately compared to other combos in our top 9 list. 4 speed settings plus pulse let you perfect smoothies, dough, or sauces, while the large 2.5-liter processor bowl and 1.5-liter blender jar handle big batches effortlessly. Cleanup is a breeze. Dishwasher safe parts save time and stress. Downsides? It's sizable, so counter space matters. For anyone craving a true all-in-one, Maydarol is a smart, worry-free choice. Who else loves saving time in the kitchen? On number 3 is KOIOS Meat Grinder. Ever thought one appliance could replace 3 in your kitchen? The KOIOS Meat Grinder does exactly that. Combining a high-powered 1000-watt motor, a versatile blender, and a food processor, it handles smoothies, salsas, chopping, and grinding effortlessly, tested for real-world comfort. Its stainless steel blades cut through tough ingredients while safety features like the lock lid and suction cup base give real peace of mind. Compared to other combos in our top 9 list, KOIOS feels reliable, compact, and ideal for daily use. Cleanup is simple, all parts are dishwasher safe, so you spend more time enjoying creations and less scrubbing. Downsides? Sharp blades require caution, and it's slightly large for tiny kitchens. But if you want an all-in-one, safe, and efficient kitchen companion, KOIOS is a smart, worry-free choice. Who else loves multitasking appliances? At number 2 is NutriBullet Triple Prep System. Imagine having 3 appliances in one sleek system. NutriBullet Triple Prep makes that a reality. Whether you're blending smoothies, puree, or chopping veggies, this powerhouse adapts effortlessly, tested for real-world comfort. Its high-performance motor powers the full-size pitcher and food processor attachments with precision, handling hot soups, dough, and nut milks without breaking a sweat. Vessel recognition ensures every attachment automatically knows the right program, no guesswork, just consistent results. Compared to other combos in our top 9 list, NutriBullet feels intuitive, reliable, and safe, with BPA-free, dishwasher-safe containers giving real peace of mind. The 7-cup processor bowl handles slicing, shredding, and kneading with ease. Downsides? Slightly larger footprint and learning curve for multiple attachments. For anyone craving versatility and convenience in one trusted device, this is a smart, time-saving choice. Who else loves a true all-in-one? Now moving to the last one is Breville Furious Blender. Did you know most blenders struggle with ice and fiber screens, leaving lumpy smoothies? Enter the Breville Furious Blender, a powerhouse that transforms tough ingredients into silky perfection. Tested for real-world comfort, it combines a high-torque 1100-watt motor with surgical-grade stainless steel blades, effortlessly crushing ice and blending veggies into creamy smoothies. Its 9 one-touch programs and 5 speed settings make it intuitive, while the optional VAC system takes textures and colors to a new level. Compared to other combos on our top 9 list, Breville stands out for quiet efficiency and precise control via its LCD display. BPA-free 50-ounce Trident jug and innovative ring pull lid make cleanup simple, giving you peace of mind. Pros? Versatile, quiet, and smooth results. Cons? Slightly higher price, larger footprint. For those craving consistent, effortless blending and occasional food processing, this is a smart, long-term investment. After testing all of them in our top 9 best blender and food processor combo lineup, the Vitamix Propel 750 clearly takes the crown. Its 2.2 horsepower motor effortlessly powers through ice, nuts, and fibrous veggies, delivering silky smooth results every time. With precise blending programs, a durable 64-ounce container, self-cleaning function, and professional-grade reliability, it's perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. Compared to others, it offers unmatched consistency, longevity, and versatility, truly a smart, peace-of-mind choice for anyone serious about kitchen efficiency. So guys, this was the video about the top 9 best blender and food processor combo. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.